When is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 being released? That's the question that we all want the answer to. Well, let's look into some of the rumours and leaks and see if we can get any closer on an expected release date. What's up guys, it's your boy JT and welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, as always, thank you very much for the support you guys have been showing me. You're helping me grow my channel, and in return I can keep producing more quality content for you guys too. On a side note, how are you guys liking my camera footage? I've got a couple of things going on. I've got some LED lights in the background, I've got some key lights that I've just bought, I've got an upgraded camera, a microphone. So if you guys think it's any good, please let me know in the comment section below, or on the other hand, if you guys think it can be improved, I'd love to hear how. So I'm always up for changing my setup and kind of making it better. If you guys want to know what I'm currently using, what devices, how my desk setup currently looks, let me know also in the comment section and I'll get a video on that out soon. Anyway, today we're going to be looking at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We're going to look at some of the rumours and leaks, some of the wish list items, things around the design, any patents, etc. And hopefully by the end of this we can be a little bit closer on figuring out when it's going to be released. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is rumoured to have a 1-inch sensor. This will be absolutely phenomenal if it actually comes with it. You would really hope so. It will add weight onto the device, don't get me wrong, but it will give it better quality. It will be able to handle footage better in low light conditions, but more importantly it will give it much better dynamic range and colours. In addition, we should be expecting 10-bit. The DJI Action 3 has 10-bit, so I think it's pretty safe to assume that the Pocket 3 will also have 10-bit. So in conjunction with the 1-inch sensor and 10-bit video footage, being able to have that all within the pocket-sized gimbal, I think is a game changer. Maybe not so much of a game changer if you're coming off the Pocket 2, but that's something that we'll have to see closer to the time. The next thing we can see is a larger screen. This will be a massive improvement for us users of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Being able to have a bigger screen, being able to see more and being less fiddly is an absolute kind of next step for us. As you know, the Osmo Pocket 1 and Pocket 2 is quite fiddly and it's a very small screen to kind of work with. A lot of people counteract that by plugging in the phone, but then that kind of defeats the purpose of it being a pocket-sized gimbal. You can see on some of the drawings it's got a built-in controller wheel, which is absolutely amazing. I cannot live without using the controller wheel on my Osmo Pocket. Literally being able to tilt and pan slowly and smoothly as and when needed by using the wheel is like the best thing and accessory that comes out for the Pocket. Now having it built in is even better, because now we don't have to keep taking it off and on to fit it back in the case. Also, there's potential for face tracking in 4K 60fps. Currently on the Pocket 1 and 2 you can do face tracking or tracking in 2.7K 60fps. If we can get that in 4K 60, that will also be great. However, I think they'll probably move up to 4K 120 and even possibly 5K 24 or 30 depending kind of where you are. There's other rumours which have less backing around a replaceable battery. I think that would be an absolute game changer if they actually came out with that, because currently with the in-house battery, when it dies, obviously you've got to charge the device up. With replaceable batteries, you can keep shooting while you're on the go. There's also stuff around increased kind of zoom capabilities. If they do have that, that'd be great. But at this kind of stage, those rumours are a lack of evidence, so we'll have to just keep a close eye on that one. There was also a unboxing video or photo that went out on Twitter, and that was around a product in China, which was a DJI product, which was due to be unboxed in December 2022. However, there's no kind of real evidence of photos of the device, just the box. So at this stage it could be fake, but based on some of the other rumours that are going about, its launch is imminent. So I would say within the next 3 to 4 weeks we should expect news, if not the launch of the device. Apologies, I can't give you any more kind of details than that. At this stage this is all we've really got. I've researched all over the net and on YouTube, and also on Twitter, trying to find out if there's any more rumours and leaks, and at this stage there's no real considerable kind of backed rumours and leaks other than a couple of things that I've mentioned. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video there. Before I do, I'm going to show you some footage that I shot on the DJI Osmo Pocket 1 in Dubai last week, and as always guys, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and you'll really help me grow my channel. In return I can keep releasing content to you guys, so thank you very much for the support and I'll see you soon. Peace.